Egg white face mask for glowing skin. Natural, beautiful, and glowing skin is what most people want, especially women. It says that you are lovely, that your skin is healthy and fully hydrated, and that you care about yourself. How do you keep your skin, especially your face, looking hydrated, beautiful, and glowing without breaking the bank? What you need is a home remedy. A trusted and proven home remedy for glowing skin, which is why many swear by egg white face masks for glowing skin. Egg whites are best known for being an excellent diet food. In recent years, it has also been known as one of the best ingredients for facial masks. Egg white masks provide various benefits for facial skin when kept on for hours or even overnight. First, we will share the benefits of egg white facial masks. Then, how to prepare and use an egg white facial mask for glowing skin. Following are the advantages and how to use an egg white facial mask to help your skin shine and glow. Advantages and benefits. 1. Prevent pimples and cysts. An egg white mask will form a protective layer on your skin to protect against sunburn and blister. But more importantly, it helps shrink the large pores and bacteria where pimples and cysts form. This is even more profound when you have greasy skin. 2. Firms up skin. Egg white can firm and rejuvenate your skin. Egg whites help tighten the skin because it firms your skin when it is dried. Furthermore, it has proteins and collagen that aid skin rejuvenation. 3. Tightens pores. Egg whites help minimize the appearance of pores because of their astringent properties. 4. Helps control oil. Because of its pore tightening and skin firming benefits, egg whites are also able to minimize sebum production in people with oily skin. 5. Tighten and firm the skin. Egg white contains amino acids that can tighten your skin, especially aging skin. Egg white on your skin will tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. 6. Reduces wrinkles. Because it can firm up the skin, it can also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Removes facial hair. When egg whites dry up on the skin, they're steadfast. And when an egg white mask is peeled off, it removes some amount of facial hairs and other blemishes with it. With that, the skin looks cleaner and blemish-free. 8. Treats acne scars. Egg white's collagen and amino acid content make them ideal for treating acne scars. Its firming properties further help encourage the appearance of smooth skin. How to make an egg white concoction that works. Have a clean container ready, preferably a glass bowl. Have 1 egg ready, preferably a cold egg, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Beat an egg white until it becomes stiff. When it appears white and foamy, add the honey and lemon juice and mix thoroughly. Wash your face with warm water. Apply the egg white mask mix to the part of the skin you want to treat. You can use a cotton pad or fan brush to apply the solution. Leave it on your skin for approximately 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Do this once a week. To use egg whites to beautify and make your skin glowing is one of the best beauty-kept secrets. Egg white can remove all sorts of skin blemishes and scars, acne scars, pimples, and more. It is cheap, works, and is something you can do at home and on your own schedule. Leaving an egg white mask on overnight may work very well for some, but it is not advisable to use an egg mask for those allergic to eggs. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.